Hello! Welcome to Learn English on the Internet. Today's lesson is on the verb to be. This lesson is for elementary students. The verb to be is very important in English. We use it to talk about who or what someone or something is. The verb to be changes depending on the subject. Here are the 6 forms of to be. I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, you all are, they are. After the verb to be, we can put an adjective to make a sentence. For example, I am happy. You are sad. He is angry. They are old. We can also use to be before a noun. What is this? A pencil. Very good. The sentence with to be, it is a pencil. He is a boy. She is a mom. I am a teacher. Remember, our subjects can be other words too. For example, mom, she. Mom is happy. Kate and Tom, they. Kate and Tom are friends. The tree, it. The tree is tall. My sister and I, we. My sister and I are young. Okay, now let's practice pronunciation. I will say a sentence and then you repeat it. Ready? Number 1. I am hungry. Okay, now faster. I am hungry. Very good. Number 2. You are tall. Okay, now faster. You are tall. Very good. Ready for number 3? My boyfriend is funny. And faster, my boyfriend is funny. Very good. Number 4, we are happy. And faster, we are happy. Very good. And our last sentence to practice pronunciation is, they are students. And faster, they are students. Very good. Great job. Now let's look at making contractions with the subject and the verb to be. I am becomes I'm. You are becomes your. He is becomes he's. She is becomes she's. It is becomes it's. We are becomes we're. You all are becomes your. And they are becomes their. Now we can put those contractions into sentences. For example, I'm happy. You're sad. Kate's a girl. It's a tree. We're friends. Great job today. That's all we have for the verb to be. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to learn more English on the internet. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye!